How to measure resistance with the help of a multimeter. This is a multimeter. The arrow points to the resistance measurement range, which is from 200 ohms to 2000 megohms. This is the ohm symbol, which indicates that the red probe should be connected to this terminal when measuring resistance. Always connect the black probe to the COM terminal. Here we have a circuit. Suppose there is a resistor in this circuit whose value we want to measure. Remove the resistor from the circuit and connect it to the multimeter probes. First, select the highest resistance range. The meter display shows a reading of 0.25. If the display shows a very small value or 0 at the beginning, it means the selected range is not appropriate for measuring this resistor. We need to change the resistance range using the selector switch. Now we have selected the 200 kilo ohm range. The display shows 18.2 kilo ohm. Since 18.2 kilo ohm is less than 20 kilo ohms, we can select the 20 kilo ohm range to obtain a more accurate reading. Now the display shows 16.07, which is the correct resistance value. Let's measure another resistor. The display shows 1, which means the resistance value is higher than the currently selected range. Therefore, we need to select a higher range. I am selecting the 200 kilo ohm range. The multimeter display now shows 22.08 kilo ohms, which is the correct resistance value. Thanks for watching this video.